Hi guys, this is Dean Wenzel with Wenzel Paintings, and an earlier video I did with the color wheel talking about complementary colors. I think you'd really enjoy that, so I want to do a quick demo on the canvas, and let me set that up and we'll get going. And point you down to the canvas. It's actually a piece of paper, not really a canvas, but you get the idea. Okay, remember we talked about complementary colors, and the way it works is on the color wheel, complementary colors are opposite of each other on the wheel. So if I have a yellow, the complementary color of that is violet or purple. An orange, the complementary color of orange is blue. Even we start getting into the red-orange kind of thing after we've mixed some, and we end up with a blue-green. And when those two are combined, they make a real wonderful, wonderful, very appealing to the eye kind of a look. So let's start simple with a yellow. If I take yellow and I put that up here, and I then create a purple, because that's the complementary color of yellow is violet. I can take that and put that right next to it. And these two colors, even though that looks black, because I need to maybe mix some more violet, make it look a little fresher there. These two colors are complementary of each other. That's a little bit too blue, but you get the idea. These two colors here, and I'll take another set of colors. Let's take a red and a green. We got the red, that's pretty simple, red, and we take that and we put a green next to it. And if I take my mix up some green there, red and those two colors on a canvas or a piece of artwork really pop. Complementary color of red is green. That's more of a blue-green. Guess what? If we look at the color wheel, blue-green's complementary color is red-orange. So let me throw a little of that on there. Some red-orange. I'm going to mix up a little bit of red-orange. Maybe a little more yellow on that. That guy right there. So those two colors really pop. The red and the green are a little off here, so I'm gonna show what that looks like with a more true green, not so much of a blue green, but a true green. Let me do that so that we can kind of see the difference there. One is a little bit more blue green, so red and green. There's red and green. These are complementary colors, and then orange and blue-green are complementary colors. Okay, you can go on and on and on with this off the color wheel. You know, if we take let's see, a yellow-orange, the blue-violet. If I take a yellow-orange, so that's going to be more yellow on the yellow side. So here's a yellow-orange, sort of a yellow-orange color there. The complementary color of yellow-orange, based on the color wheel again, is, let me look at that. I've got the yellow-orange here. It's going to be blue-violet, so a stronger blue, right? Let me go ahead and do that. You got your yellow-orange, blue-violet, so much more on the blue side of a violet color. That's going to end up being those two colors. So these are complementary colors, and while they may not look like much dots on a canvas, once they're applied to a picture or a painting, you see how they really begin to stand out. If I take the orange and blue combination, the orange and blue-green combination, and I put that up here, you see how pleasing to the eye these colors become. Even though there are variations of yellows and oranges and blues and greens in here, the combo is what really matters. Okay, so hey, I hope you like this video. Click on the like button if you do. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you add your comments. And let's keep this going.